Welcome to Getting Started with SELinux System Administration by Sven Vermeulen, a video course by Pact Publishing. My name is Mark Thomas and I'll be the voice of Sven for this course. Sven Vermeulen is a long-term contributor to various free software projects and the author of various online guides and resources. He got his first taste of free software in 1997 and never looked back. In 2003 he joined the ranks of the Gentoo Linux project as a documentation developer and has since worked in several roles including Gentoo Foundation trustee, council member, project lead for various documentation initiatives, and his current role, project lead for Gentoo hardened SELinux integration and the System Integrity project. In his daily job, Sven is an IT architect in a European financial institution, as well as a self-employed solution engineer and consultant. The secure implementation of infrastructures and the surrounding architectural integration is, of course, an important part of this. Prior to this, he graduated with an MSc in Computer Engineering from Ghent University and MSc in ICT Enterprise Architecture from Inno.com. He's worked as a web application infrastructure engineer. Do you have the crucial job of protecting your private and company systems from malicious attacks and undefined application behavior? Are you looking to secure your Linux systems with improved access controls? Look no further, intrepid administrator. This course will show you how to enhance your system's secure state across Linux distributions, helping you to keep application vulnerabilities at bay. This video covers the core SELinux concepts and shows you how to leverage SELinux to improve the protection measures of a Linux system. You'll learn the SELinux fundamentals and all of SELinux configuration handles, including conditional policies, constraints, policy types, and audit capabilities. The first section gives insight about SELinux and how it's enforced through the Linux kernel. It explains the differences in SELinux implementations between distributions. Lastly, describes the SELinux specific terminology. The second section covers the various enforcement states of SELinux. It teaches the administrators to interpret and analyze those events. The third section manages Linux users and their permissions, map those users to the various roles and Linux's pluggable authentication modules. It also deals with SELinux's category support. The fourth section will introduce administrators to SELinux labels. Labels are stored on the file system or represented for other resources. In the last section, we'll develop the standard network security services, IP tables and IPsec, with SELinux features. This course offers a complete overview of SELinux administration and how it integrates with other components in a Linux system. It covers the majority of SELinux features with a mix of real-life scenarios, descriptions and examples. This course contains everything an administrator needs to customize SELinux. These topics are paired with genuine examples of situations and issues you'll probably come across as an administrator. As SELinux is a core component of a Linux distribution, you'll need to have a Linux system at your disposal that already has SELinux enabled. Converting an installation to SELinux is not in the scope of this course. Please consult your distribution's documentation for this. Furthermore, tuning and configuring the security of a system requires administrative privileges on the system. This course targets Linux system administrators who have reasonable experience with maintaining Linux systems and want to understand and work with the SELinux technology. Moreover, this course can be enlightening for IT architects to understand how SELinux can be positioned to enhance the security of Linux systems and Linux-hosted services within their organization. So, let's begin this journey together, and I hope to see you there.